In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wave Accounting for beginners. As we walk through this step-by-step guide, you'll gain a solid understanding of how to navigate the platform and carry out essential accounting tasks, even if you're a complete novice. Let's embark on this journey to mastering Wave Accounting. First, you'll want to head over to the Wave Accounting website. Once you're there, look towards the top right of the page, and you'll see the Sign In option. Click on that, and it'll take you to the Login page. On the Login page, you have multiple options to access your account. But to simplify things, click on Sign In with Google and select your Google account. This integration makes it easy to manage your login credentials seamlessly. Upon logging in, you'll be greeted by the dashboard. This is where you can see all your main tools on the left panel, including Dashboard, Sales and Payments, Purchases, Receipts, and Accounting. Each section is designed to help you manage different aspects of your business finances. Now, take a glance at the top right of your screen. Here you'll find your account profile. This is where you can access the settings to tailor your Wave experience to suit your preferences. Next, let's focus on creating new items within Wave. On the top left panel, you'll see the option Create New. Clicking here will allow you to quickly initiate actions such as creating a transaction or generating an estimate, among other things. To create an invoice, click on Invoice. From there, you'll need to click on Add a Customer to select the recipient of the invoice. Choose your customer's profile from your list of contacts. Now let's personalize the invoice specifics. Start by selecting the invoice date, followed by setting the payment due date. Both of these steps are crucial as they dictate the timeline for payment. With the basic details set, the next task is to add the item you're billing for. Click on Add an Item and choose the relevant product or service from your list. Remember to include the quantity. Double-check to ensure the price is correct, and if necessary, make any adjustments. If applicable, you can add tax to your item. Simply select the tax option to include this in the final amount. And don't forget, at the bottom of the invoice, you have the option to add an attachment. This could be useful for including any additional documents you want to send along with your invoice. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue. Take a moment to review your invoice. If everything appears correct, click on Approve Draft. Now your invoice is ready to be sent. To finalize, click on Send Invoice to deliver it to your customer. As the last step, mark the invoice as sent to keep an accurate record of your financial transactions. With these steps, you are well on your way to becoming proficient in using Wave Accounting to manage your business finances efficiently. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting!